Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll explore 10 zero oil lunch recipes perfect for weight loss. These recipes are packed with simple ingredients and easy cooking methods that help control hunger and boost metabolism. By skipping the oil, these dishes keep your meals light while still providing essential nutrients. You'll find delicious and healthy options that are quick to prepare for a busy lifestyle. For the detailed recipes, check out the link in the description and pinned comments below. Matar Paneer Sabji is a rich source of protein and calcium, making it great for muscle building and bone health. Since we're not using oil, this dish is light on calories but still full of flavor. Paneer is a low-carb food that helps in maintaining your blood sugar levels and preventing insulin spikes, which can be helpful for weight loss. This dish also keeps you feeling full for a longer period. To make this, just sauté paneer in a non-stick pan with your favorite spices like turmeric, cumin, and garam masala. It's quick, easy, and tasty. Mix veg is a fantastic combination of different vegetables, which means you get a variety of nutrients and fiber. Fiber is essential for weight loss as it helps with digestion and keeps you full longer. When you cook without oil, you can enjoy the natural flavors of the vegetables without adding unnecessary calories. This dish is full of antioxidants, which are great for overall health and skin. To make mixed veg, just steam or cook your vegetables like carrots, beans, peas, and cauliflower with some basic spices. Chana masala is made from chickpeas, which are high in protein and fiber, perfect for promoting weight loss. It helps regulate your digestion and boosts metabolism. Without any oil, this recipe is both healthy and low in calories. Chickpeas also stabilize blood sugar and keep you full, so you don't feel hungry soon after eating. Simply cook soaked chickpeas with tomatoes, onions, and spices like cumin and coriander to make this dish. Masoor dal is a classic and nutritious lentil dish, rich in protein and fiber. Lentils help with weight loss by providing long-lasting energy without the added fat. This dish is perfect for boosting metabolism and balancing blood sugar levels, especially important for women dealing with PCOS or thyroid issues. To prepare it, cook masoor dal with cumin and garlic in a pan. It's simple yet delicious. Jowar upma is a healthy, gluten-free upma made with jowar grains, which are rich in fiber and help in weight loss. Jowar is packed with antioxidants and minerals that support overall health while keeping you full for longer. This oil-free recipe makes it a light yet satisfying meal, perfect for weight management. It also boosts metabolism and aids in digestion. To make jowar upma, sauté onions, tomatoes, and spices, then add the roasted jowar and cook it with water until soft. Veg dum biryani can be a healthy choice for lunch when made without oil. The aromatic spices used in biryani help increase metabolism and aid in digestion. Using brown rice or millet helps control the glycemic index, keeping your blood sugar levels in check. This dish is rich in fiber and low in fat, helping with weight loss. Simply layer cooked veggies with rice and steam them together with aromatic spices for a flavorful, oil-free biryani. Oats chilla is an amazing zero-oil dish that's perfect for weight loss. Oats are full of fiber and help control hunger, preventing overeating. This chilla is packed with protein and fiber, which promotes fat loss while keeping you full longer. It also improves digestion and supports heart health. Simply mix oats with besan, gram flour, veggies, and spices, and cook on a non-stick pan without any oil. Amritsari chole is a flavorful dish packed with protein from chickpeas. This oil-free recipe helps with digestion and boosts metabolism, which aids in weight loss. Chickpeas are known to stabilize blood sugar levels and provide lasting energy. For this dish, cook chickpeas with onions, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and spices like garam masala, without adding oil. Curd rice is a light, refreshing meal made with rice and yogurt, perfect for digestion and weight loss. Curd is rich in probiotics that promote gut health, aid digestion, and help with bloating. It's a low-calorie meal that keeps you full without adding excess fat. The addition of cumin and coriander gives it a flavor boost, while also being light on the stomach. To make curd rice, mix cooled rice with plain curd, salt, and spices, and serve chilled. Jeera aloo is a simple, oil-free dish made with potatoes and cumin seeds. Potatoes are low in fat and high in fiber, making them an excellent option for weight loss. Cumin aids in digestion, and the dish provides you with a good amount of energy. By skipping the oil, you can enjoy this dish without the extra calories. Just cook boiled potatoes with cumin, coriander, and turmeric for a flavorful treat. Here are the key takeaways from today's video. All the dishes we've shared are zero oil, making them perfect for weight loss. These meals also help boost metabolism and control hunger. The best part is they are simple, delicious, and healthy options for your lunch. You don't need many ingredients to prepare them, and they're quick and easy to make. So, start incorporating these recipes into your routine for a healthier lifestyle. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed these zero oil lunch recipes, don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends. Make sure to try these easy, healthy meals and feel the difference in your weight loss journey. Check out the description and pinned comment for detailed recipes. Stay tuned for more exciting tips and recipes to help you live a healthier life.